see this? Look at this. We're actually in Torrance. It's an active lumber yard here. It's just a bunch of random Porsches in the middle of a lumber yard. I mean, I'm sure when they start unloading these cars, you'll smell race fuel, but also right now, all I smell is like fresh cut wood. So the crazy thing is, since this place is open for business, these guys are unloading the cars, but they can't actually put them into the show until they close for the day here. So all these guys are just parking their cars here. Starting to get excited, honestly. It's gonna be a really good show. This thing is so cool. So the story with this is I've actually shot this at Canepa. This is completely 100% restored. So all the cracks and all the little things, all the imperfections that I shot before, they're gone. My favorite is the fact that, oh look, pretty cool little patina going on here. And then you pan over. Oh my God, what the hell? So the last time I shot this, there weren't any turbos on it. It's kind of interesting to see everything put together now. And look how wide that rear tire is. And let's park next to this. And that. So this turbo here, I call it the anti-Porsche Porsche because this only has 60 miles on it, which is just so crazy. It has original battery, original tires. Look how rusty the rotors are. Talk about old tires. So these tires from 1989. Look, it's cracked. Talk about dangerous. What a time capsule though, huh? Alright, got a used car lot here. Buy 2, get 1 free. Somebody just parked their street car here. Look at this. Look at that crazy single lug. Thing is so cool. 962 street car. Check out this miniature 356. Only Rod Emery would build something like this. Right now, all of the race cars are getting loaded in. We just had an Epic Sun set. And yeah, I'm just trying to get as many shots of the guys rolling in. Whoever thought of this? Wow. It's the prettiest lumber yard ever, huh? It's 6 something. Load in happened till way late, and I didn't get much sleep, but now this is load in for the general public. This is crazy. Like, the line is so long to get in, but I'm just trying to get shots of them pulling in while the sun is really good. Can't imagine how much that's worth.
No idea.
Yeah?
Might be.
5, 10 bucks?
Yeah.